Welcome to the 2018 Farm Progress Show. Kicking off our coverage today, being brought to you by the gang there at Titan Tire. Bob Quinn here with you on News Radio 1040 WHO.
2 years ago, we actually introduced the largest ag tire in the world, which is the LSW 1400 30R46. Over the course of the last, 2 years, we've done a lot of testing, a lot of evaluation on the tire itself, and now it's become a very affordable replacement for tracks.
We went ahead and we matched up the 1400s against our track machine and found out they performed very similar in what we call good soil conditions. At the same time, we found out that they used less fuel in any given hour. It's a design breakthrough for the farmer, and so now we're in a position where our customers, for $40,000 or $50,000 left, have the option to go with a tire machine versus a track. And there's some other advantages.
We're in the process this fall. We believe in it so much that we're going to go head to head. We've been selling a lot of red track tractors for 20 years, and we're intentionally going to go out and go farm to farm to farm with a new Steiger 580 with 1400s on it and show our producers that, in fact, this is another option. And I don't have to tell anybody here, with commodity prices the way they are, if we can get the work done with a tractor burning less fuel and it's $40,000 or $50,000 less, our producers are no different than Don's. They're gonna say yes and go do this.